Hello everyone. So today we have some of our subscribers ask some questions on our YouTube videos. So we will answer their questions one by one. So please stay with us in this video and then you will be able to get the answer as well. The next question is, what is your retargeting approach and what is retargeting? The retargeting is for those visitors who have visited the website but they have not performed any call to actions on the website, so we re-show them the ads. So now, as we know that we have like two type of website. One is for the lead generation website, one is for the e-commerce website. For the e-commerce website, we normally follow the approach like we have an audience for the add to cart abandoners and we give them like an extra 5% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy works really very well. For the lead generation side of things, we normally set up the audiences for various services or for various landing pages, and then we re-show the ads to the visitor who have not converted in their first click, and we show them the ads some kind of offer or some kind of discount on our service. That way they will feel like they are saving something and then they go back to the website and give us a conversion. So this is the best way to do it. We will give our WhatsApp number on the screen. You can WhatsApp us anytime and I will be able to get back to you as soon as I can.